Come in.
Where am I going, Mom?
You're going to school, Freddy.
Kisheba letsatsi letswa Bophelo bo fetoha letsatsi letsatsi Ke batla bona tsela e ntjha e tlang le tshepo e ntjha
Umuntu guys ushiya ibhedi.
Dintlha tse fetang di re
Azolala.
ruta Ho yena
Bed
ke
yakhe apha.
fumana matla o tswela
But yena.
Ho tswa mafifing
Yena
ke
ka ngwana
bona
wa
lesedi Ke ithuta ho tsamaya ka tumelo Betoho Bophelo bo ntse bo fetoha Betoho
Hey guys, it's welcome back to my channel. For the very first time, welcome and welcome, honey. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. So guys, today is a Thursday. Okay, sweetheart. Oh, guys, she's just letting me know about Kolu Shlamba. And she had to follow Shlamba. So then I told me, "Well, this Shlamba man comes and means this captain about Monday. Man, don't go manzin. Them sule then this captain is like, and then I drop her off at school and then I go to work. Tomorrow's Friday. Easter Hunt Friday. Yeah, guys, next week's Easter's at least it's Yavala. It's Kesi Pumle, yo. But anyways, guys, without wasting any more time and man kup ompil. Man's intent to be this captain with you guys, alright? Shopping?
Yeah, I can swim.
Eh?
I can swim.
Okay.
Then
Nana, zoba late esikolweni iza.
I want to food.
Hayi ke ndiyakushiya ke.
Ngiyazibuza ngizoyaphi ngaphandle kwenu ngoba izandla ziyagezana ngifunda uthando ngifunda isineke umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu iphila ngani together forever umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu iphila ngani yebo uthando lwasemazweni awufani nowasemhlabeni yebo amanga khona kodwa ngiyanthanda and that's the truth intaba zihlangani kodwa abantu bayahlangana
Hey guys, so I'm done with unpeeling. So now I'm going lunch box and then I'm ready. Then I can drop her off at school and then go to work. Guys, we are extremely late. So yesterday I bought burgers for Peter and myself yesterday. Today backpack is But isityile izolo iichips zakhe nasizithetheka apha. I'm not sure if I should warm ukutya before phela esikolweni. Weske chips ezilele gazi azibikho manje. But umpile yesterday uye wathi akafuni ukutya.
Mama, the food the pizza.
Ufuna ipizza?
It's covered.
Ufuna uphatha ibhega nofuna uphatha ipizza?
Pizza.
Wayisela ngejuice yakho. Nansi ibhega yakho.
The food is
Yimana nizopha nansi ibhega kaloku.
Hello.
Soka nansi ibhega yakhe. Uphatha ibhega. Mazi ke njengoba sithi ufuna nepizza, una nepizza encinci. Le pizza guys ithengele yenye ichomi yam. Othi yena uyichonga umpini. So udibene nathi
Ayi, so you pizza ya.
Okay. Uzofaka zonke le nto la? Okay. Mbele tubhaka khona. So guys, as I was saying, this is steers. So ndadibana nenye ichomi yam othanda umpila uthi ichomi yakhe then wamthengela la pizza encinci nantsi. Nansi. Yebo. So izolo ke uye watya ipizza islice i-1 omphile and then zangafune wethu ukutya xa sifika apha endlini. Yaqonda zakhe uzoziphatha esikolweni. Enye into ebephethe isikhaftini esininzi izolo. Because I was meant to fetch her late after care. So what xa ifika apha endlini watya isikhaftini sakhe. Okay. Now this food is not this cafe is okay, it's a bus fresh. Oh guys, I also got myself a burger. So but I don't know now. Hey wait, I'm not petting a lot of guys. It don't matter. I said you going to look at guys. White finger. I need chips.
Is that because there's his chips, Mom? Everyone.
Now last time I put comment. I didn't comment something. What's spicy? I want to. There's chips I like to see. There's no spice. Maybe it's cool. Yeah, got it. I don't know if this. Stop kind of fuck up a drawing. I think it's a spice. Are you gonna pack your own lunch? Okay. Guys, I'm going to go pet come and I'm saying that I'm going to get a second habit in 9. That's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to tell you. Huh? Like it, I'll go to you. Go to the Okay guys, so mas esse café ficou um pouquinho ligeiro, vai se bem fresh cheio. So yeah, this is those like. water, with juice,
Bowl.
her favorite. And then the chips. She doesn't really like these chips, but yeah. Yes, I guess so and yes. But in next I was standing at all. So yeah. You wanna pack your own lunch? Is okay. Where's to learn?
Which one now?
The chips.
Don't get this. Hi, Mama.
Yeah? I don't fire I can't finish.
Zipper Coke.
It's super cook. It's super cook. Guys, because I was helping her pack her own lunch and dear time go to mommy, I want to pack my own lunch. Nobody said he pack it. I could pin a but now she'll throw in everything like you upside down. It's longer so didn't get a chance. So every day we have believe about we have pack her lunch. Then but the boys alone and I'm pinning this look as you guys have seen by when you notice up but then she believes so we had throw everything at then I basically a big girl. Anyways guys, we're actually late Monday and then the drop them down to school and then I got to work. But guys, honestly, naleo sebenza into sham. Okay guys, so mandi be ready now. Drop on off at school, then I'm dim 17. But necessarily I'm dim 17. Oh guys. We necessary because on pile back corner ke senzela bona mos. But nje mina I'm meant to be a rich housewife. Lewa ngoku ndidrop umntana ephile nami ndiyemsebenzini. Niye dankie. Okay guys, masibonane. We are extremely late. Nasi sama isikhafutina. Plain and very simple. Yum, let's kaftina now. I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit because it dry. Okay, guys, my spin is one. Love you.
Complete and you never come through. I'm so surprised how you could do me like that. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all, yeah. I won't let it get into my mind, no. Man, but he is just a boy. No. Won't let it steal away my shine now. I know you're thinking about me from time to time. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. Cause I am on a roll, yeah. So don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time. Cause that is what you came here for. Right? Oh yes.
You win.
You never complete and you never come through. Yeah. Oh, you're looking so oh, give me some space. I don't care what you do. Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it open.
I just got back from work, picked up on Peter from school as well. Oh guys, angiyazi guys, ngidishile namhlanje ilanga. I don't know if you guys can see my face, even my eyes are a bit reddish. Hi. And go right. And as a result, I think I'm just gonna lie down a bit and then wake up later on, see if I have the energy to cook. If I know you, we're gonna have some rusks and tea. Because no. And a fatal seduction, guys. Because guys. And I'm happy to let you guys know that indeed. So yeah, and this banana any job will fatal seduction. But at least tomorrow is Friday, so maybe it's okay. Yes, I was really hoping manzo namhlanje. Guys, inhloko enayo. Nani guys ilanga linenza kanje? Hayi. So Ambili is not home. Use next door, guys. Udlala. Into udlala kakhulu these days. Anyways, Ambili's dad is also back. He had traveled for work. And he brought me this. Hi. So I'm gonna have this with chicken breasts. He also bought acha, guys. No kwanda, please. Anyways, so yeah, he bought me that. Yes, a flight in, and then go be acha. I ordered these last week, and then see if we can unplunge. Guys, let's unbox them together. YouTube, I'm dressed. Please, YouTube, I'm dressed. And they eat chicken breasts, guys, As a chicken breasts. I'm gonna have them name Nalantoni Acha, guys. Okay, guys, let me look for scissors. The vulepa and then scissor and box it cracks them together. The problem, guys, is that and yes, scared because umpile. Akekho yena umuntu ozazi izinto zalapha endlini phofu oyena uzisebenzisa ngumuntu ohlele ephethe isikere. Andiyazi ba usibeke phi. Mandisikhangele guys isikere and then I'll get back to you. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey guys, I'm back. So let's unbox small cracks together. Can you guys even see? No, you can't. Oh, I can't latte. Classic latte. Ikhala latte. Oh, and guys, as na gibbets. And the planting umpile, then I'm gonna get for me vegetables. What are we saying now, Saturday? When I was playing, it calling being as the I don't know where to need vegetables, but goes not as playing like cool. So once I ordered Andy, orders got umpile. calling me. Sorry about that. Size 4. Size 4. So, okay guys, as they are in the color latte. Definitely chibets can walk. Otherwise, yeah guys. Yo, guys, I'm so tired. Yeah. I'm just gonna have that chicken breast archer, then wash my face, lie down a bit. Get my guys. I think the guys. Yo, I need cheese especially ehlathini because I was infilled. So I don't even think I'm gonna cook namhlanje. We're gonna have rusks and some tea. Or you saw peanut butter. I don't know. But I'm not cooking today. Anyways, bye guys. See you on the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so it is still the same day. The time now is 6:15. And I'm going to the sports club. A friend of mine. Busy guys, what? I want to chill and for like an hour or two. So don't ask me guys about intloko iphelele because I am going. Yo guys, I think mandihambe guys. Sizobonana khona ke. Handizihlala wethu. The time now is 6. Zobuya mhlambi ngo 8. Yeah. So be on 8. J guys. J. Okay guys. See you there. Bye.
Ngiyazibuza ngizoyaphi ngaphandle kwenu ngoba izandla ziyagezana. Mazuri awufani nowasemhlabeni, yebo amanga khona kodwa ngiyanthanda and that's the truth. Intaba zihlangani kodwa abantu bayahlangana.
So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon for future updates. See you in my next one. Bye.